Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the direct connection settings on your CANON i-SENSYS MF657. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu. So let me click on the menu first, go to the preferences, here select the network, and here we will have the direct connection settings. So here let's click it, and as you guys can see here, you guys can use the direct connection, so you guys can enable it. And then as you guys can see here, we have the IP address for direct connection. Here we also have the session termination, and we have the access point mode settings. So here we can use custom SSID or custom network key. Now here we can just click apply, but if you're already connected to a network and you don't want to ruin anything, then I recommend keeping it off. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.